Canopy Growth Corp. NYSE, CGC, stock surged 14.24% on October 15, 2018 and continued its bullish momentum in the pre-market session on October 16, 2018, rising over 4%, as of 7:54 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time -4. Source: Google Finance. The firm is acquiring major assets of Colorado-based hemp research company EBBU in a cash and stock deal, with the cash component amounting to less than $20 million, but with Canopy giving up a whopping 6.2 million shares to EBBU, worth about $300 million based on Friday's close. The company told investors its purchase of Evergreen, Colorado-based EBBU will complement and accelerate its ambitions to expand into new types of consumer products. Further, EBBU specializes in the purification and study of cannabinoids for product development, wholesale and research purposes, according to its website. It also uses patented plant genetics to maximize cannabinoid output by boosting in-plant cannabinoid production and creating rare cannabinoid-specific plants. Moreover, under the agreement, Canopy will pay $25 million in cash. The company will also pay up to an additional $100 million if certain scientific-related milestones are achieved within 2 years of the deal closing. Canopy will have the option of making the milestone payments in cash, shares or a combination of cash and shares. The company says the deal will help its hemp and THC-rich cannabis genetic breeding program, as well as other parts of its business. In addition, EBU's IP portfolio will contribute to the clinical formulations program being executed by Canopy Health Innovations, a wholly owned subsidiary of the company. Canopy Growth operates a field-scale hemp operation based in Saskatchewan. By applying EBU's IP, that will have the potential to vastly reduce the cost of CBD production, a sought-after cannabinoid in both the wellness and medical spaces. Canopy Growth, through a newly formed subsidiary, will employ EBU's assets and personnel to conduct R&D. There will be no production or sale of products resulting from such R&D in the United States unless and until it would be federally legal to do so. The transaction requires regulatory approval by the Toronto Stock Exchange and New York Stock Exchange. The acquisition is expected to close in November 2018. Canopy Growth is a diversified cannabis and hemp company, offering distinct brands and curated cannabis varieties in dried, oil and softgel capsule forms. On the other hand, there's been a lot of talk about cannabis leading up to Wednesday's legalization. Canadians across the country have many questions about how things will work, ranging from how workers' rights will be protected, to what kind of resources are in place to address marijuana addiction and prevent impaired driving.